Hi, welcome to our upholstery room. This is a space in which we do much of the reupholstery work, so it naturally makes sense to talk about how the process gets done. When we take back a furniture piece into the space, the first thing that we do is, using our various different iPads in the shop, we document the furniture. So we take various photos from different angles to make sure that when we're working through the whole entire process, we can replicate the piece as it was before or make any modifications per the customer request. So once we are finished with the documentation process, we mark up the pieces to see where the different templates would go on the furniture. So we would mark up the arms, the inside back, outside back, the decking area, so that we can get a good idea of where everything goes once it goes through the work process. Once that is all done and we take off the covering material, it goes to the fabrication side where it gets patterned, cut, and sewn together. While that's happening, our team back here in the upholstery side is working to check the frame, the foundation, the springs, the webbing, to do any reinforcement repair work that might be needed. From there, they work to build up the padding material, either adding more or just gutting it all together and rebooting new padding on the furniture frame. Once that is done, we get the covering material that the fabrication team have done and prepared for us to upholster over the furniture pieces. And to finish up, we would add any of the trim that would be needed for the furniture piece, whether it be decorative nail trim, double welt that we need to glue on, or single welt, or a gimp trim. Finally, we work with the cushions, so if the cushions need new foam, then we would cut new foam material and fabricate that. If they don't need new foam and we're reusing the material, we would add more padding to it, either it be polyester fill, or batting, or down fill material. We would then fit those onto the furniture frame to make sure that it's fitting right and properly. Now, some furniture legs, after being used for so long, they do get scratched up and there are blemishes, so we also work to touch up and polish the wood as it may be needed. Finally, we go through and inspect the whole product again to make sure that it fits our criteria for functionality, comfortability, and aesthetics before we deliver the furniture off to our customers. Thank you.